Hi there. Today I'm diving into how private credit is transforming Mexico's economy. Back in the early 1990s, I had the honor of leading the Mexico-Japan Binational Commission. Our goal? To boost commercial ties between the two nations. But we quickly realized that Mexico needed financial institutions like the non-bank banks seen in other parts of the world. This gave rise to the creation of SOFOLES, financial institutions designed to address the financing gaps identified during the implementation of the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. These institutions filled the financing gaps in sectors like housing, infrastructure, and transportation, areas where traditional banks just couldn't keep up. By collaborating with development banks from Japan, we managed to secure guarantees and reduce risks for investors, promoting private credit projects and joint ventures. SOFOLES eventually evolved into SOFOMES, expanding their reach to meet the market's growing demand. Today, these institutions are key players in Mexico's financial landscape, channeling private capital into sectors that fuel economic growth. Which brings us to today's topic, meeting borrower financing needs, the opportunity for private capital. In this panel, we'll explore how private credit can meet the financing needs of Mexican borrowers. We'll discuss the role of alternative lenders in complementing traditional banks and identify critical sectors where private capital can have the most impact. I'm excited to moderate this panel alongside industry leaders, Ignacio Usobiaga, Director of Grupo Catara and Flu Financiera, Guillermo Hernandez Iniguez, CEO of Aspiria, Gary Miller, Director of Revere Capital, Carlos Munoz, President of Swiss Capital. Together, we'll dive into local market opportunities for private capital, the dominance of banks in the lending landscape, and the importance of due diligence for alternative lenders. We'll also explore how private credit can finance crucial sectors like infrastructure, housing, and transportation, and the role of SOFOMES in supporting these efforts. We believe private credit isn't just a financial tool, it's a catalyst for economic transformation. By fostering global investor and local borrower collaborations, we can bridge Mexico's financing gaps and drive sustainable development. I can't wait to hear the insights and strategies from this panel as we work together to build a stronger, more prosperous future for Mexico and beyond. Thanks for watching.